Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy here. Look at this. We grew some eggheads. So all we did was we took some leftover eggshells when our parent made some breakfast, and we mixed some grass seed together with some potting soil, and then we put it inside the egghead. We pushed it all down nice and tight, and then we watered it every day by using our sprayer. Woo! And after we kept it all nice and moist every day, some grass grew. It was hair. And you can use grass seed or alfalfa sprouts or really any kind of little seeds. You can have curly hair or straight hair. But we grew this grass seed because we wanted to practice cutting. And so first you're going to grow something, so that's science. And then you're going to use your scissors to cut it. Oh, and I forgot, you can use markers to decorate its face. Look at this, Freddy. Let's put a big smile on this one. And a nose. We're going to put a nose and a smile just to show you what you can do. So we put a nose, and you could do this yourself. But don't forget to wash your hands after you've touched eggshells. We're going to put a big smile on this guy. So, see him? Doesn't he look cute? Look at that, Freddy. Do you like that little guy? What shall we name him? Alfie? Okay, so then, after you've got Alfie all made, you get your scissors. Now, I don't have any child-safe scissors at my house because I don't have any little children around here except Freddy. But you can get your scissors and then you can cut the hair. Oh, look at that! I cut all of that hair off. Isn't that funny? And if you want to, you could cut his hair even shorter with your scissors. Did you see that? Now look at Alfie. He's got a short haircut. So that's a fun activity for you to do at your house. You can learn to grow, and then you can cut the hair. And it's all kinds of activities in one. So we hope you have a fun time. See you later. Bye. Did you like that, Freddy? Is that a fun activity? Mm-hmm. It was, wasn't it?